Big thanks to Bernhard for sponsoring this episode.
Today is a good day because today is a chicken day. You know who loves chicken more than anybody else? That's the guy behind the camera. Normally he goes to Kentucky Fried Chicken, but today, Morrison, you're truly lucky because we got special chickens. These are freaking awesome. Just look at the size of these things. What? This is a 3 kilogram chicken. Normally in the Netherlands, we have chickens that weigh around a kilogram, maybe 1.2, 1.5 max. But these weigh 3 kilograms. These are heihoens. That's the Dutch breed name. These are giant, but that's not the only special thing about these chickens. The other special thing about these chickens is that these are dry butchered as opposed to wet butchered, which is the standard in the Netherlands. So that's kind of special, but then here comes the kicker. These are 21 days dry aged. You can see it in the color of the skin getting more dark, and we got that beautiful red meat on the inside, which means we have a lot of flavor. And look at the bottom of this chicken. All that fat on this chicken, that is going to make this chicken flavorful, and that's going to make you freak out, Morrison, because this might just be the best chicken he ever had. Before we're going to be cooking these chicken, we're going to be cooking the subscriber count. We're almost at 500,000, 500,000. So make sure you subscribe right now and help us out. We want to go over that 500,000, 500,000, man. So thank you if you hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you. Now, without further ado, we're gonna be cooking this beautiful chicken, and I made a lovely rub to go with it. Here's what it's made of. 1 part salt, 1 part black pepper, 1 part dried parsley, 1 part dried oregano, 1/4 part dried garlic powder, and 1/4 part thyme powder. This rub is going to make sure that we keep the flavor profile of the chicken because it won't overpower the flavors, and at the same time it will let the chicken speak and make it even better. Now these chickens are dry as Of course, if you dry age them for 21 days, what? I can't say if I want to, it's my show. I decided, Morrison, it's time for me to stake my claim and say whatever I want. But seriously, this chicken is so dry aged that nothing will stick to the skin. So we gotta put on a little bit of olive oil to make sure that the rub will stick to the skin. Otherwise it doesn't make any sense to put the rub on, it will just fall off. Ooh, that's sexy. Yes, there is a happy ending to this video. Now, we're gonna put that rub on and look at it. It's instantly turning our chicken into a beautiful seasoned chicken. Make sure you get this stuff everywhere because this is the good stuff. I'm gonna be cooking these beautiful chickens on my Bernhard smoker. The Bernhard Flint, it's a pellet smoker, and I'm going to load it up with cherry. These are cherry pellets and they're gonna give off a light cherry smoke flavor to our chicken. I'm going to set my pellet smoker on and I'm going to turn it up all the way to 160 degrees Celsius. This is a roasting temperature, and especially with pellet smokers. If you want to smoke your chicken, you're gonna be aiming for those lower temperatures, around 120 degrees Celsius, which is around 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're smoking your chicken and get that dark smoke flavor. But now we're going up in temperature because I want to see a crispy skin. I want to render down that fat and I want to get that most out of my chicken. Now I'm going to load my chickens into the pellet smoker. Look at that. I think we got a problem. Look, it's not gonna fit. The chickens are too big. This is not a small pellet smoker. This is like a good sized pellet smoker. So then we gotta do a little trick here and put the chickens side by side. Come on, chickens. Can't believe how big these chickens are. You see, that's 1 for you, Eva. 1 for you, Morrison. And maybe if the kids are not hungry, I'm getting 1 too. Fingers crossed. Close the lid. Whoa. Dude, seriously, I forgot the meter thermometer. I'm going to use the meter thermometer because this is one of the most important parts of cooking with a barbecue, measuring the core temperature of the meat. You gotta make sure you know what you're doing And you got the right end temperatures. Because if you're too low, the chicken's undercooked. If you're too high, your chicken's gonna be dry. Hey, that rhymes. That's a good rhyme. If you're too high, your chicken's gonna be dry. See? That's how it works. So measure your temperature, always. The dog's here. You know what that means. It means the chicken is done. The thermometer beep. The dog's already trained to listen to the beep, and look at that. What a beautiful chicken. Oh, God, how are we gonna get this off? Woo! Look at the juices. Oh, wow. That is one juicy chicken. There we go. Second one. Oh, absolutely. Oh. So heavy. What do you think? The dog is licking his face. This smells so good. I wish you guys were here right now and you guys could smell it, because this is some good stuff. I'm just gonna shut down my barbecue, and it's gonna run in one of these programs where it cleans itself up and prepares itself for the next time. In the meantime, we gotta wait. You always gotta rest your meat, especially when you're running on higher temperatures. We were running at a temperature of 160 degrees Celsius. Then it's very important that we rest this meat, because if we would cut into it, the muscles are tense and it's pushing out all of the juices, and that's not what we're looking for. We're looking to keep the juices inside the chicken.
What are you doing? This is not the moment.
I'm not texting my girlfriend. I'm just checking how long it took to cook.
I know the people want to know, but I want to eat.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I get it. I totally get it. Like, but you know what's going to be the first comment when people see the chicken?
I don't know. Where's the beer?
Where's the no? That's the second one. But the first one's going to be like, dude, you didn't cook it far enough yet.
It looks red.
It looks red.
Yeah, but it's different. This is different kind of chicken. Close.
Because this is the real deal. This is like real chicken. And it's red. And I measured the temperature. Trust me, we cooked it to a temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. It went a little bit further up than I would not. Normally, I don't cook my chicken to 75, cook it to 70 around that temperature. No way.
Oh man.
No way. No way.
Every time we cook chicken, it's a ladder and it goes up and up.
How is
up.
it possible?
It's that chicken farm. It is that chicken farm.
It's called Flavor of the Farm. We gotta get invited. Give the dog the big piece. Yeah.
This is the whole thing?
Yes, we got two.
It's kind of hot. I'll give her just a starter meal. Starter meal? There's another one.
Dude.
You like it or not? I like it. It's amazing.
It's amazing. It's like, I don't know, how are we gonna...
How can I deal with this?
How can we deal? How can we now eat chicken in the future? You can never ever buy the normal... I thought, you know, I went to his Facebook page.
Yeah.
And I saw they were sold out.
No.
Yeah, they sold everything. So the main features, flavor, juiciness. The tenderness is a little less because it's an older bird.
Yeah.
But by dry aging, they brought some of that tenderness back. And that's really amazing. Don't expect like crazy tenderness, because that's not what this is. This is crazy flavor. I think we gotta close with this video, man. Because I wanna chow down, I wanna focus on my food.
Yeah.
I wanna thank everybody that subscribed to our YouTube channel. I wanna thank the patrons and the YouTube members. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
that's right. And
Keep on eating beautiful chicken.
yeah, buy the right stuff.